180.
Huh?
180.
1808, yeah. 18.
80.
81.
18.
Hey, 1 8.
81 அடி கிடைக்க போகுது 18
sorry.
18 playing racking mama why ma Sukri. Okay, next is Keshav. Keshav
1 even.
1 1 11. Next Visha
1 2 12.
1 2 12. Next is Hazel
15.
1 4 14.
1 4 14. Next is Mahini 1 5 1 5 15. Very good. Next Dashwan
1 4 16.
1 4 16. Super சொல்றீங்களே. What is this? 1 6
16.
1 4 16. Kavi Kartika
1 5 7 16.
1 7 16. 1 7
17.
17. Very good. Good morning, Ananya.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning. Good morning, Jason. Okay, next number is for Ananya.
1 9 19.
Very good. Next number is for Jason.
20.
No. Here, 20. 20
20.
20. Very good. Okay, next again from the beginning, Sukrit Gautam. Okay. Sukrit.
Sorry, இப்போ சொல்லு.
2 2 22.
2 2 22. Keshav. Keshav.
2 4 24.
Very good. Visha.
2 6 26.
Very good. Hazel.
2 8 28.
Very good. Jason.
2 9 29.
Very good. 2 9 29. Very good. Next is Mahini. 30
மலையாளம் சொல்லுங்க 30
30. What is 30? 30. 30. Okay, 30 30. Okay. Good morning, Rudwin. Good morning, Ma Sara. Rudwin, identify this number. Rudwin. Huh? 3 1 3 1 31. Okay, I'm not able to hear. Next, Sara. What number is this, Sara?
3 3 33.
Very good. Next is Ananya.
3 7 37.
Very good. 3 7 37. Well done. Next is Kavi Kartika.
Number ஒழுங்கா
38.
38. Very good. Dashwan.
3 4 3 9
Nine.
Huh? 3 9
39.
39. 3 9 3 சொல்றீங்களா நீங்க? ம். சுக்ரீவ் கௌதம்.
50.
Very good, Sukrit. Keshav. Keshav.
40.
Very good. Visha.
சொல்லு.
60.
Very good. Hazel.
70.
Very good. Mahini.
நீ மகிழ் மேம் எழுதுறாங்க பாரு எழுதுறது பாரு.
சொல்லு.
சொல்லு.
80.
Okay, what is this number?
5.
5 yeah? 50 50. Okay. Dashwan, what is this number?
40.
40
40.
40. Very good. Ananya, what is this number?
60.
Very good. Rudvin, what is this number?
13.
Very good. 70 Kavi Kartika, what is this number?
8.
8 0.
18.
Very good. 80. Sarah, what is this number?
50.
This one?
40.
This one?
60.
Very good. This one?
70.
Very good, Masara. Thank you. Radhyani. Next number, Radhyani. Radhyani. 6 6 9 6 9 69. Very good. And what is this number?
71.
Very good. 71. Next is Hazel.
88.
Very good. Sukri Gautam.
85.
Very good. 85. Well done. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. We'll start our session. Come on.
ஐயோ வேண்டாம் கீழே விழுந்துரும் தம்பு.
Let's stand up, all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Ananya will say Kids Anthem today. Okay?
Join your hands, baby.
Come on, Ananya.
இப்படியா? Close your eyes.
You're a vitamin. Why? Five. Would you find me?
You're unique.
You're unique. My body inside.
You're the wing.
You are the wing.
You're the wing.
Beneath my flight. Would you find me? My body inside. Today I catch with the on my might. I shall show my body inside.
Yes, very good. Yes, very good morning to everyone. Very good morning to everyone. Yes, okay. Next is our actions. Action game. Shall we play our action games? Ready? First action is brushing. Brushing. Okay, after brushing, what will you do? After brushing, what will you do?
Goggle.
You'll goggle. Okay, fine then. Okay, after goggling, what you'll do? How will you goggle? How will you pour water in your mouth and goggle? எப்படி goggle பண்ணுவீங்க? What? Don't blow it on my face, okay? How will you goggle, children? Okay, fine. Next, what you'll do? Next, what step will you do? You will wash your face. Come on, wash your face. Wash your face. Sarah will not wash face, huh? Mummy will do that action for you. Huh? How will you wash your face? Yeah, fine. Next, comb your hair. Comb your hair. Comb. Comb your hair. Huh? Hazel? Okay, fine. Next, what you are going to do is you are going to tie lace in your shoes. How will you lace your shoes? Come on, if you are wearing a shoe, you are going to lace it. How will you lace it? Very nice, Mahini. Good. Hazel already wearing shoe. Good. Okay, fine. Next. Okay. Next is reading. Reading. How will you read? Let me see how sincerely you are going to read. Many of you without books, you are reading with your empty hands. Is this the way you read at home? Naughty children. Is this the way you read at home? Fine, okay. Next. Okay, fine. I was just kidding. Next action is writing. How will you write? How will you write? Okay, what will you use for writing? What will you use for writing? Parents, don't tell whatever I am telling them in Tamil. Let them understand and do. Okay, please don't guide them. Let them look at their friends what they are doing and let them do. What will you use for writing? I'm talking slowly. You will very well understand what I'm talking. Very good. You will use the pencil for writing. Okay. What will you use for coloring? What will you use for coloring? Crayons. Visha very well understands everything. Very good, Visha. Crayons. Where is crayons? You are having pencils in your hand. Only crayons you'll use for coloring, huh? Other than that, what will you use for coloring? Crayons we'll use. Then what will we use? Achu. Okay, next what will we use? Pencils, color pencils. Then another thing is there for coloring. What is that? Paint. Very good. We'll use paint also for coloring. Very good. Now we have finished our writing. Okay. Then what will you do? Eating. How will you eat? Eating. Eating. Appa, such a good children. You all will eat like that? Is it so? Okay. Fine. Before eating, what you should do? Ma'am said eating. Did you all wash your hands? Very bad children. I said eating, but what you should do? Good morning, Mamitra. Before eating, what you should do? Any answer? Did you wash your hands, children? Why you didn't wash? Now you washed it. Okay, fine, children. Now come on, go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance. Okay, thank you, children. Dashwan Velan. Very good, Hazel. Very good, Jason. Very good, Jason. Kavi Kartika. Very good, Keshav.
Here I am, hip hip hooray.
Very good, Mitra.
Here I am, hip hip hooray.
Very good, Mahirni.
Mahini.
Here I am.
Hip hip. Very. Huh?
Hip hip hooray, kilo lindise.
Hip hip hooray, கீழே விழுந்துருச்சா? அச்சச்சோ. ரதியாணி.
Here I am, hip hip hooray.
Very good, Rudvin.
Hip hip hooray.
Hip hip hooray. Sarah.
Here and hip hip hooray.
Very good, Sarah. Ananya.
Yeah, ma'am. Hip hip hooray.
Very good. Sukri Gautam.
Hip hip hooray.
Huh? What hip hip hooray? Here I am. Etita.
Here I am.
Visha.
Here I am. Hip hip hooray.
Very good. Here I am. Hip hip hooray. Next is rhymes time. Rainbow rhyme and it's so hot rhyme. Okay. First we'll finish with it's so hot. Who is going to sing it's so hot? Let me choose Mahirni. Come on, Mahirni.
It's so hot today. We saw the fun, drink lemonade, in the sun we play.
Very good. Next is Sukriv Gautam.
It's the hot today. It's the fun, economy, it's the sun we play.
Ikkyo fan, Ikkanamaniye. Huh? What is that Ikkyo fan, Ikkanamaniye? Huh? I told you to sing in English. You are singing in some other language. Where are you going to go? Catch a train or bus? Switch on the fan. Drink lemonade. Next time when I hear you singing, I must hear it properly. No, Ikkanamani, no. Okay? Next is Visha.
Hit the hot today. Switch on the fan, sing a lemonade, tin it and we pay.
Very good. Next is Sarah. Sarah.
It's so hot today. Switch on the fan, take lemonade, in the sun will play.
Very good. Ananya.
Hey, my. It's hot today. Fan,
Switch on the fan.
fish on the fan, drink lemonade, in the sun will play.
Very good. Rudvin will sing. Rudvin, try to sing. It's so hot. He doesn't know, huh? Okay, fine. Dashwan. Dashwan Velan.
It's a hot today. It's a fine.
In the sun we play. Okay. Next, Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika.
Kavi. It's so hot.
It's so hot today.
Switch on.
Drink a lemon.
In the sun we play. Next is Jason.
It's so hot today. In the sun.
Okay. Next is a very good one. Next is a rainbow rhyme. Okay. Who knows the rainbow rhyme? Oh, look, there is a rainbow. Mitra knows the rhyme? Mitra, you know the rhyme? Come on, sing. I know, ma'am.
It's so hot today.
I didn't ask you to sing. It's so hot. Rainbow rhyme.
Rainbow rhyme எனக்கு தெரியாது.
Oh, okay, fine. Then ma'am will sing. Anyone else knows the rainbow rhyme? Yes, Visha. Yes, Visha.
Oh, look, that is a rainbow. It's so violet. Wait, that is indigo. Color blue.
First 4 line only she learn now.
Green and yellow comes next. Then there is orange too. Finally there is red and the rainbow spread. Okay, well done, Visha. learn the rest of the rhyme also. Okay, Hazel.
அங்க பாரு ரெயின்போ ரைம்ஸ் பாடணும்.
Rainbow, so one wait, there is indigo and anti-colorful green and brownish rainbow color. Finally, there is that and rainbow spread.
Very good. Sukri Gautam knows the rhyme.
I can tell you the ma'am.
Then what were you doing? You unmuted yourself. Okay, next is Jason. Jason.
The rainbow.
Hmm.
It's a color.
It's so
It's so violet.
It's so
It's a white.
violet.
Violet.
Hmm. Wait, there is indigo, also color blue.
Green. Green.
The yellow sun, red and then all and blue.
Huh?
Red, red,
What?
and the rainbow red.
மேம் புரியுற மாதிரி பாடணும்.
I can't hear anything. Okay, I myself will sing, children. Okay. Oh, look, there is a rainbow. It's so violet. Wait, there is indigo, also color blue. Green and yellow comes next. Then there is orange too. Finally, there is red and the rainbow spread. Okay. Okay, we have finished all our rhymes. Then we'll move on to our concept. Before that, we'll do a small activity for concept. Okay, bring any clothes related to winter season. Clothes related to winter season. Winter season, what type of clothes you will wear? Come on, think, think, think. What type of clothes? Cotton clothes or woolen clothes? What type of clothes we'll wear in winter? Come on, go and bring. You need not answer. Just go and bring and show it to ma'am. Yes, very good. Keshav brought a scarf. Woolen scarf. Very good. Jason is also ready. Yes, woolen sweater. Hazel. Woolen cap. Visha. Again a sweater. Vitra. Yes, Radhyani. Then Rudwin also sweater. Bed sheet. Ananya. Good. Again. Woolen sweater or scarf, Dashwan. I don't know what is that. Then woolen sweater, okay. Then Sara is not here. Sukri Gautam, woolen cap, very good. Mahirni also brought, I think it's a bed sheet. Okay, next. Okay, fine. Next you have, yes, Sara, what did you bring? Woolen scarf. Very good. Well done, well done, well done, children. Good. You all know we wear woolen clothes in winter. Why we are wearing woolen clothes? It will keep us warm. It is very cold season, right? So we wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. Okay. Next is what type of clothes you'll wear in rainy season when you go out. What will you wear in rainy season when you go out? What will you wear or what will you take and go? ரெயின் மழை பெய்யும் போது என்ன போட்டுட்டு போவீங்க இல்லனா என்ன எடுத்துக்கிட்டு போவீங்க எது வேணாலும் கொண்டு வரலாம் yeah raincoat and umbrella whatever it is you can bring umbrella very good Keshav you will wear this while it is raining you will wear a shawl and go when it is raining then you will get wet no what will you take and go yes very good Sukri Gautam umbrella very good Hazel also umbrella. Sara brought umbrella. No one has raincoat with you, Nobody is having raincoat with you. Yes, Mahini brought raincoat and umbrella. Beautiful. Very good. Very good. Most of you have brought umbrella. Very good. When it is raining, we take umbrella with us, or else we wear raincoat. Okay. Yeah, fine. Very good. What we should drink a lot in summer? What we should drink a lot in summer?
Water.
Very good. Water. Very good. Water. Very good. Well done, children. And then next we are going to see about the spring season and autumn season. Okay, autumn season, what will happen, children, in autumn season? What will happen in autumn season? What will happen to the leaves? Leaves will change its color to yellow, brown, or orange, and then they fall down from the trees. There will be no leaves in the trees in autumn season. And next, in the spring season, again new flowers and new leaves come out of the trees. Okay, so this is autumn and spring season. Today we are going to see a new concept, children, that is national symbols. Okay, what is the name of concept? National symbols. Okay, we are going to learn about the national symbol, national flag. Okay, yes, is my screen visible? Can you see my screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Thank you, children. Every country has its own national symbols, children. Our country, India, it also has its own national symbols. So the topic is national symbols of India. Okay. So this is India. This is India map. This is our country, India. What is the name of our country, children? What is the name of our country? India. 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 What is the name of our country? India. If anyone asks you, what is the name of your country? What will you say? India. Okay, and it has 28 states in total. Can you see the colorful states here? These are all states, children. Can you see here yellow, blue, pink, red, green, orange? All these colors you can see, no? These are all the states of India. Different states of India. And we are in Tamil Nadu. Where is Tamil Nadu? Here. Down, can you see? This is Tamil Nadu. This is our state, Tamil Nadu. Where do we live? We live in Tamil Nadu. Okay. And what is the name of our city? Name of our city is Chennai. Maybe now we are in our native place, but where we used to live? We used to live in Chennai. Okay, this is Tamil Nadu, and the city where we live in is Chennai. Okay, children? This is our national flag, and it consists of three colors: orange, white, and green. And in the middle, you have Ashoka Chakra. Yes, this is our national flag. Which is the national animal? Which is the national animal? Can you? Yeah, tiger is our national animal. National animal of India is tiger. Next, what is the national bird of India?
Peacock.
Yeah, very good. National bird of India is peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Next, which is the national fruit of India? Mango. Mango is our national fruit, children. Okay. And then, which is the national flower of India? Lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Okay. You should not say any other flower, children. Lotus is our national flower. Okay. Next, which is the national tree of India? Banyan tree. Banyan tree. Which is the national tree of India? It is banyan tree. Okay. And then, which is our national sport? Which is the national sport? It is hockey. Hockey is our national sport. Okay. And then, which is our national currency? What is the means of currency we use? That is rupees. Rupees. Okay. And this is our national emblem. It has four lions, children. One lion is on the back. You can only see three lions, but it actually has four lions. Okay. So this is our national emblem. That's it. So once again, we have a small recap. So which is our national animal? It is tiger. Which is our national bird? It is peacock. Which is our national fruit? It is mango. Which is our national flower? That is lotus. National tree? Banyan tree. National sport is hockey. And the means of currency we use is rupees. National emblem. Okay, children. And the name of our country. What is the name of our country?
India.
Yeah,
India.
very good. India. How many states does it have? How many states does it have? 28. Okay. We live in, which state do we live in?
India.
We live in India. It's our country, children. But we are living in a state, no? What is the name of our state? Tamil Nadu. Okay. And what is the name of our city? Name of our city? Chennai. Okay. Now I want all of you to take your worksheet, children. Come on, take your worksheet. And your worksheet number is 117 CT. 117 CT. Parents, can you please tell me how many pictures you have in that? Only bird and animal, or you have the game also in your worksheet?
Only bird
Bird and animal, ma'am. Only two.
No, game is not given there, huh?
No,
No,
ma'am.
no, not given.
Okay, fine. Ananya, for you, how is it?
For Ananya, she has a sport also, ma'am.
Sport also is there, okay? Let her do only these two, okay? Separately, we'll do the sport one.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
So, write today's date, children. Today's date is 1/8/18 dash 1 dash 2222. Write in the space given here, children. Hereafter, you should not write on top of your worksheet. Should write in the given space. And the day is Tuesday, children. 1/8/18 dash 1 dash 2222. So before doing this, here you have national animal. Which is the national animal, children? Which is the national animal? Tiger. Okay, here you are going to color the tiger and make strips. Okay, so what stripes? What we are going to do is before coloring, you draw these stripes for tiger, children, like this. Like this, you draw the stripes and then finally you can color. What color will the tiger be, children? Tiger, what color, children? Orange. Orange.
Oh, yes.
Color orange after you draw the stripes in its body. Color orange, children. National animal, tiger. Is anyone ready for talk time today?
Sarah, ma'am.
Sarah, okay. Anyone else? Only Sarah? Okay. Finish coloring your tiger picture. Finish, Radyarni.
Yes, ma'am.
There's a finished tiger. Next is our national bird. Here you have to do thumbprint, children, but many of you might not have paint with you. So you just use your color itself. Green and blue inside that feather you can color. Alternatively, green and blue you can use and color this peacock feathers too. Finish, ma.
Gargle.
Sorry.
The brown color I gargle.
What, ma?
Leg brown color adding.
Fine. You can color. You want me to color, brown color. Body part, what color will give for the body part? Yes, Mitra, tell me what color shall we give for the body part? Pick up body.
Blue.
Blue, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am.
Finish. So please, mom, can you please check and tell me whether we have finished 117 empty worksheet?
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, we finished, ma'am.
Finished. No missing numbers worksheet,
Yeah,
right?
missing numbers. We finished till 50. We finished, ma'am.
Okay. Finish coloring, children.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good. Well done. Very nice, Keshav. Super. It's very good. Tomorrow, parents, there is a worksheet in 122. Worksheet number is 122 PH. 122 PH, you have a worksheet. So you have some words. Tomorrow there will be a reading activity in this worksheet. Okay? They have to start from here, come down, again come back, go up and finish here.
Which
Like
page,
this, they
madam?
have to come.
Can you please repeat?
122 PH. So be sure that they know all the words. Okay? This is an observation sheet. So everyone must read clearly, children. Okay? Sara, are you ready? Sara is coloring, huh? Finished coloring, huh? Are you ready, Sara? Everyone finished coloring, children?
Ready.
Yeah, aku படிச்சேன்.
Finished, all of you. Stop coloring. Finish. Jason, finish. Supri Gautam, Jason, Radhyani. Finished, finished coloring.
Did you finish?
Going to finish. So finish fast. Very good, Radhyani. Ananya finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Mahini.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, now see what Sara is going to talk about. Okay, yes, come on, Sara.
Bono Sarah.
Hi, friends. My name is Sarah. I am going to talk about healthy food. We all need food to grow,
आवाज से बोल.
to grow and stay strong. Healthy food keeps us away from diseases. Healthy food. Healthy foods are vegetable, fruits,
अच्छा nuts बता.
nuts, grains, and greens. Eat healthy food. Stay fit. Thank you.
Thank you. Very good. Well done, Sarah. Even if it is simple sentences, you have performed very well. Children, clap hands. See, I didn't say clap hands, but everyone are clapping hands for you. Very good. One more time, can you show everyone what are the healthy food? One more time.
एक बार कॉल करती. Sarah.
Only the healthy food you show. What are all the healthy food? Children, see what are all the healthy food?
अच्छा परवानी बता.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Ah,
I thought I was gonna go.
अच्छा.
hmm.
Next fruits.
Vegetables. Next is
Fruit.
fruits. Chicho, everything is falling down today.
Hey.
Fruits. Okay, fine.
Next.
Next. Nuts, children. Nuts. Cashew, badam, pista, dry grapes. Okay, so nuts. Next.
Grains.
Grains. That is, she has oats in her tray. Okay, don't think it is Lay's packet or Kurkure packet. That is oats. Okay, children, don't
Oats
confuse
and
yourself.
leaves.
Okay, oats and millet. Okay, grains.
Greens बता.
Then
Spinach.
leafy vegetable. We already learned leafy vegetables, right? So this is leaves, murungai okay? So all these are healthy food, children. You should have all these food regularly, alternatively. One day fruit, vegetables, greens, all these things you have to eat, okay? Then only you will be healthy or unhealthy? Huh? How will you be? Healthy. You should eat healthy food. Then only you can be strong. Sarah, your hand should be on top, not down. Okay? Up. Here. Here. Okay? Not down. Okay? So thank you so much, Sarah. Thank you so much, Sarah's mom, for your effort. Tomorrow, whose talk time is tomorrow, children? I think tomorrow Sukri Gautam will do. Tomorrow, whose talk time? Rudvin and Sukriv Gautam. Everyone has finished? Very good. Okay, thank you. Next, we'll do a small activity, children. Come on, take your math notebook. Take your math notebook. We are going to find the greater number. Find the greater number. Take your math notebook. Greater number, children. Which number is bigger? That number you have to find out. So three sums I have given here. Come on, do the three sums. Write today's date, children, without missing it. Write today's date. Mahini, your mummy is in leave today, va? That's why sitting in your place today. That's part.
Yes, ma'am.
Or else she will run to that near the TV. She will run. I can see only her back.
Mahini.
Come on, do it, Mahini. Everyone know how to do? Yes or no? First, underline the first number here and here. Check whether it is same or different. Okay, if it is same, move on to the second number. If it is not same, if it is different number, there itself you can find out which is greater. Or else if you can find out the number by looking at it at one glance also, you can do it. You need not follow the steps. Those who are not able to find out by looking at the number, please follow the steps and find out. Hereafter, maximum you should not draw beads and find out, children. By looking at the number itself, try to find out. Okay? Stop drawing beads. Very good, Ma. Isha, good. Very good, Hazel. Good, Ma.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Sukhdev Gautam.
Okay.
Good, I saw, Ma. Very good. Mahini, all these steps you yourself should do.
Ma'am,
நீங்களே
actually,
பண்ணணும்.
no, ma'am. First two she did.
Okay, different number you are doing it and showing. Okay, no problem. Very good, Ma. Keshav.
Yuppie.
Finish. Very good. Everyone has finished. Now tell me the answers, children. First sum 28 and 25. Which is the greater number? Which is the bigger number? 28 or 25? 28, 28. Very good. 28, 28. Very good. Next one. 36, 39. Which is the greater number? 39. Very good. 39. Next is 4, 7, 47. 5 to 52. Which is the greater number? Very good. 5 to 52. Well done, children. Well done. Very good. Well done. Okay. Now, next is another activity. Here, parents, you are going to draw 3 lines. In the notebook, you draw 3 lines like this. 3 lines equally spacing. You draw 3 lines and give it to them. Above that, I'll give the number. What they are going to do is they are going to draw beads in that line. They are going to count and draw beads in that line. So the first number is 12. So what you will be doing is you will be drawing 12 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Group of 10 and 2 separately. Group of 10 here. This is group of 10 children and 2 separately. Okay, like this you have to draw. So first sum is 12. Second sum is 15. And the third sum is only 10. First sum is 12, second sum is 15, and the third sum is 10. Count and draw beads correctly, children. As soon as you finish 10, you have to draw a circle because that is group of 10. Okay? அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் அடுத்து 11க்கு நீங்க போகணும். Or else finish drawing it separately, you count 10 and again you draw a circle. Both the ways you can do. You want me to tell another time? You all understand what ma'am said? புரியுதா ma'am சொன்னது? Sukriv Gautam. Can you understand what ma'am said?
நம்ம நான் உள்ள போட்டுக்கலாம். நான் உள்ள போட்டுக்க மேம். சாக்லேட் சாப்பிட்டுருக்கு.
Chocolate.
புரியுதான் கேக்குறாங்க.
புரியுது மேம்.
Okay.
He's saying that the beads as chocolates, ma'am. So I just
Chocolate. Chocolate ஞாபகமாவே இரு. Ananya understood? Ananya புரியுதாடா what ma'am said? Okay.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Disha. Show me your notebook. Yes. Circle group of 10 na? You didn't circle?
No, ma'am. Group of 10 circle. Group na?
Group of 10 beads வரைஞ்ச அப்புறம் you have to circle, children.
Circle.
அப்பதான் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் group of 10 is separate and then the next numbers are singles. Very good, Jason. Good boy. Circled. Very good. Okay, now parents also are finished. I want you to give them 3 stars. Using a sketch pen or a marker, whatever you have. 3 stars. Those are finished correctly. 3 stars.
Mommy, mommy. It's black one.
Very good. Dashun finished. Good. Group of 10 you have to circle, children. 10 முடிஞ்ச உடனே ஒரு circle பண்ணனும். That is group of 10. Very good, Hazel. Come on, those are finished. Get 3 stars from your parents in your notebook.
தப்பு. மகிழனி listen பண்ணு 12 தான இருக்கு எதுக்கு 14 வரைஞ்சிருக்க?
As soon as the number comes 12 வந்த உடனே stop பண்ணிரணும். You should not draw continuously, Mahini. அங்க என்ன நம்பர் கொடுத்திருக்கு 12 தானே? So எப்ப 12 வருதோ அதோட stop பண்ணிரணும். அதே மாதிரி 15 வரும்போது stop. 10 வரும்போது stop. Okay? Yes? நீங்களே சொல்லிக்கணும் stop பண்ணனும். இதுக்கு மேல வரைய கூடாது like that. Finished. Radhyani, Sukriv Gautam, Kavi Kartika. Kesh is still drawing, huh?
Finished, ma'am.
Finish, Mahini. Good. Yes, good, Kavi Kartika.
Finished, ma'am.
Finish, Sukriv. Show me your notebook.
Star button, thank you.
Okay, circled a group of 10s.
He's not circling, ma'am.
That's what.
If I say he's saying we should not circle, we should only count. So I left.
No, ma, group of 10. You have to make a group of 10. In the worksheet, how will do? எப்படி பண்ணுவோம் worksheetல? Group of 10 circle பண்ணிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? அந்த மாதிரி circle பண்ணுங்க group of 10.
பண்ணுங்க.
Okay, no need means leave it. If he is counting it correctly, leave it.
He has அப்படியே கவுண்ட் பண்ணி கண்டினியூஸா போட்டான் மேம். அந்த கண்டினியூஸ் பண்ணிட்டான். ஆனா குரூப் ஆஃப் 10 தனியா போட சொன்னா அது தப்புன்னு சொல்றான். சரி நான் விட்டுட்டேன்.
Okay, fine. It's finished, everyone. Very good, children. Big round of applause for all my children. You have done your activity very well. Very good, children. See you tomorrow. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye, everyone. Bye, children. Yes, bye, children. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, bye.